Hello, hello. Welcome to Natural English Practice. I'm Lara.
And I'm Alex.
Hey, Alex, do you remember your first day at your job?
Oh, yes, I was so nervous. I didn't know anyone, and I was worried about making mistakes.
Me too. The first day is always a little scary, but also exciting.
Exactly. So today, we're talking about your first day at a new job.
We'll cover introductions, asking questions, meeting your coworkers, and lunch conversation.
Let's get started.
Okay, so it's your first day. You walk into the office. What happens first?
Usually, someone greets you. They might say, "Good morning, you must be the new person."
And you can say, "Yes, I'm Sarah. Nice to meet you."
Nice to meet you. This is very important. You'll say this many times on your first day.
Right. The basic introduction is your name, then nice to meet you.
I'm Alex. Nice to meet you.
I'm Lara. Nice to meet you too.
They might ask you, "Is this your first day?"
You say, "Yes, it's my first day."
Or they might say, "Welcome to the team."
You can say, "Thank you. I'm happy to be here."
"Thank you, I'm happy to be here."
Let's practice a full introduction.
"Good morning, you must be the new person."
Yes, I'm Jennifer. Nice to meet you.
"Nice to meet you too, I'm David. Welcome to the team."
Thank you. I'm happy to be here.
Perfect. Your boss might show you around. They'll say, "This is the kitchen. This is the bathroom. This is your desk."
You can just say, "Great, thank you." Okay, so now you're at your desk. You're probably feeling a little nervous.
The first day is always a bit stressful. You can say, "I'm a little nervous."
I'm a little nervous, or I'm excited but nervous.
"I'm excited but nervous." That's very natural.
If someone asks, "How are you feeling?" you can say, "I'm a little nervous, but I'm excited to start."
"I'm a little nervous, but I'm excited to start."
Your coworkers might say, "Don't worry, you'll do great."
You can say, "Thank you, that makes me feel better."
Thank you, that makes me feel better.
Let's practice.
How are you feeling on your first day?
"I'm a little nervous, but I'm excited to learn."
Don't worry, everyone here is really nice.
"Thank you, that makes me feel better."
Okay, so you have a lot of questions. It's important to ask questions.
First, you can start with, "Excuse me."
Excuse me, this is polite. Then you ask your question. Excuse me, where is the bathroom?
"Excuse me, where's the bathroom?"
You might ask, what time is lunch?
"What time is lunch?"
Or, how do I log into my computer?
"How do I log into my computer?"
You can also ask, can you show me how to...
"Can you show me how to use the copier?"
Can you show me how to use the copier?
People will be happy to help you. Remember, it's your first day.
Let's practice asking questions.
"Excuse me, where's the coffee machine?"
It's in the kitchen, right down the hall.
"Thank you. And what time is lunch?"
Lunch is at 12:30.
One more important phrase, if you don't understand something, you can say, "I'm sorry, I don't understand."
I'm sorry, I don't understand. Or, can you explain that again, please?
"Can you explain that again, please?" Don't pretend to understand if you don't.
Okay, during your first day, you'll meet a lot of people.
They'll come over to introduce themselves. They might say, "Hi, I'm Karen. I work in accounting."
Hi, Karen. I'm Mike. Nice to meet you.
They might ask, "What will you be doing here?"
I'm in marketing. Or, I'll be working in sales.
"I'm in marketing."
They might also ask, where were you working before?
You can say, "I was working at a school." Or, "This is my first job."
This is my first job. That's totally fine to say.
Now, you should also ask them questions. You can ask, "How long have you worked here?"
How long have you worked here?
Or, "What do you do here?"
What do you do here?
Or, do you like working here?
Do you like working here? These questions help you get to know people.
Let's practice meeting a coworker.
Hi, I'm Rachel. Nice to meet you.
Hi, Rachel. I'm Tom. Nice to meet you too. What do you do here?
I work in HR. I've been here for 3 years.
Nice. Do you like it here?
Yes, it's a great company. Everyone is friendly.
Perfect.
Okay, now it's lunchtime. Someone might invite you to lunch.
They might say, do you want to join us for lunch?
You should say, yes, thank you, or sure, I'd love to.
Sure, I'd love to. Don't eat lunch alone on your first day.
They might ask, how is your first day going?
You can say, it's going well, thank you. Or, everyone is very nice.
It's going well, thank you.
You can also say, I'm learning a lot.
I'm learning a lot. That's a good thing to say.
At lunch, people might ask you about yourself. Where do you live?
You say, I live in Brooklyn, or wherever you live.
I live downtown.
They might ask, do you have any hobbies?
Do you have any hobbies? That means, what do you do for fun?
You can say, I like to read, or I enjoy cooking.
I like to play guitar.
You should also ask them questions. What do you like to do on weekends?
What do you like to do on weekends?
Just be friendly and interested.
Let's practice a lunch conversation.
So, how is your first day going?
It's going well. Everyone is very nice.
That's great. Where do you live?
I live downtown. Do you have any hobbies?
I enjoy reading and going to the movies.
Nice.
Okay, your first day is almost over. When you're leaving, you should say goodbye.
You can say, have a good evening, or see you tomorrow.
Have a good evening. See you tomorrow.
If someone helped you a lot, you should thank them.
Thank you for helping me today.
Thank you for helping me today.
Let's practice ending your first day.
Well, I'm heading out. Have a good evening.
You too. See you tomorrow.
Thanks for all your help today.
No problem. You did great. See you in the morning. Let's review the important phrases from today.
For introductions, nice to meet you and I'm happy to be here.
For feeling nervous, I'm a little nervous, but I'm excited.
For asking questions, excuse me, where is, and can you show me how to?
For meeting coworkers, what do you do here? And how long have you worked here?
For lunch, how is your first day going? And do you have any hobbies?
At the end, see you tomorrow and thank you for helping me today. All right, everyone. That's it for today's episode.
Remember, everyone is nervous on their first day. Just be polite and friendly. We hope this helps you feel more confident on your first day at a new job.
Thanks so much for listening to Natural English Practice. Don't forget to like and subscribe and come back often to keep improving your English speaking skills.
Until next time, keep practicing.
Bye.